Wow.
Hello mga friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Cacai, and for today's vlog, gagawa po tayo ng ating pangmeryenda na mango float. So, bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. Okay, so, simulan na natin ang paggawa ng ating mango float. Arat na!
So this is our ingredients. The graham crackers, then the mango, and the crushed grahams, the Nestle all-purpose cream, and then our condensed. We use Alaska, and our container kung saan natin ilalagay ang ating mango float. So let's start! So, paghaluin na natin ang ating all-purpose cream and then our condensed milk.
Sleep na.
And then, i-mix lang siya. Mix hanggang maging sticky. So, gagawa na po tayo ng layers. Ang first, yung graham crackers. And then, next layer is the mangoes. Yummy! So, after ng mango na layer, ang next ay ang milk. The sweet cream. And then, paulit-ulit lang yung layer niya hanggang sa mapuno ang container. And then, ang huli is yung crushed grahams. Yun ang pang-toppings. Or if you want to add some design, you may put designed mango sa taas. Tada! Ito na po ang ating mango float!
Oh, I want to eat it now. Wait, it's still gonna be eat, mommy.
Sarap mo
Sarap, promise.
Sarap, ate.
Opo, sarap, promise.
Wow!
Yummy!
Hindi mo siya tumatamis or okay lang, tama lang?
Tama lang.
Tama lang.
Wow!
So, here's my version of mango float. Super yummy! Thank you for watching, mga friends! Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the bell button para updated kayo on my next vlog. Chill lang tayo mga friends. Bye!